is where I made it. Whoa! Oh! Look at it! Still use fire whistles? All right guys, Freedom Boat was right here. Someone stole it, it's gone. No, I'm kidding. Put it outside. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. We're gonna leave it out there for right now. Possibly get to it during the winter. So anyways, someone or something has vandalized the Supra, and I'm talking, it's a nightmare. They pooped and peed all over the engine bay. They wrecked the fuel line. It's leaking like Niagara Falls. The thing probably doesn't have 800 horsepower anymore. Probably is only limited 200 now because the fuel line's bad. It runs okay, but the fuel is just pouring out. It'll drain the tank in 2 seconds. I'm thinking it's a return line, and I guess we're going to take a look at it to see exactly what happened because I can't drive the car. It's ruined. It's trashed. So long story short, I was on my way to the shop. Car just cut out, ran out of gas. I'm like, what the heck? So I coasted into a bar parking lot, went in, hammered a couple beers, and then came back out, went and got 5 gallons of gas, put it in the car really fast, and flew to the shop, where I was only like 2 miles away from here. It made it here before it totally drained the tank, and it's been sitting right there for the past several days. So we got to get it in here. The problem is that when it's running and the fuel pump is pumping, so the low pressure pump pumps fuel to the high pressure side, it operates, but there is a serious leak. So I'm here by myself. I don't have anyone to help me push the car. So I guess we're gonna drive it into the shop. I think I ran over the pressure washer. Oh, look at it. And guys, I'm having a sale on church pews. So we have one there and we have one there. I'm running a smoking deal. They're low mileage units, prestige shape, fresh out of service. And if you're in the Pittsburgh area and you want a church pew, post your funniest comment in the comments and you can pay me for them. It doesn't help that I have a fire burning over there. And we have a car leaking gas. Oh man. All right, so you are now seeing the most controversial, most hated, not hated car of 2020. So upon a quick look, we have some issues. Okay, so there's mud and whatever and poo and footprints. This is kind of all footprints going along here. There is a buildup of pee right there that stinks. There's another puddle of pee down there that started up there and ran all the way down and collected there. There's a turd or something right there. A beginning of a chewed wire there. We have more dried pee right there. We have a dried muddy tail drag mark right there. We have a pile of turds right down there. There's a huge one down there. So yeah, unfortunately, the car was 100% under attack. Oh yeah, that could be squirrel. Who needs a lift when you got sketchy jacks? All right, so I've been huffing gas for the past, I don't know, hour or so, messing around under here. Whoa. So I got all the skid plates off, and here's the fuel line. So this one's return, this one's feed. It's actually the feed line that they chewed, and it is 100% chewed. So right there, it's one and 2. So we got 2 chew marks. Now you can see the teeth marks on there, so it was definitely a squirrel or maybe like a rat or something. So new fuel line, and hopefully that's all that they got, because dude, what the heck? You gotta see this exhaust. This thing's sick. There's all kind of leaves and junk up there. Literally, the first bolt I pulled on the skid plates, a rat turd fell in my eye. Literally in my eyeball. So I'm probably gonna have pink eye from rats. Awesome, perfect. So I chased that line up over the drive shaft, and it goes into the fuel tank, like hat thing, over there. Maybe if the camera will focus. So you can see that gray connector with the little red safety tab on it. So my next thing would be to pull it off, and I don't know if the tank's gonna drain. Now there is some kind of lift pump situation in there. I just don't want to get covered in gas. But once I get that out, I mean we're done. That's the line. It's one piece all the way through, all the way up to there, and we should be good. All right, so where do I want to put this? You see right there, those 2 little chew spots. So I found the part number already for the line. It's like $80. It's not like a huge deal. It just sucks to have to do this. I think it's time for us to get a lift, because that sucks. And while I was under there, I looked over the rest of the car. Nothing else was chewed. He was just running along that skid plate and decided to just stop, take a break, and chew the line a little. Probably got a little bit through. Just about to go all the way clean through. Tasted gas, was like, I'm out. Stupid, not chewing this line, it's gas line. All right, guys, that's it. I am done huffing gas for the night. I'm gonna try to go to the Toyota dealer in the morning, try to find one of those fuel lines. Maybe a BMW dealer will have it.